The 1979 Ford Bronco 4x4 is one of the most legendary full-size SUVs ever built, representing the peak of Ford's classic off-road engineering. Introduced as the final model of the first full-size Bronco generation, the 1979 Bronco combined rugged capability, powerful V8 performance, and everyday practicality, making it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The 1979 Bronco was available with two dependable V8 engine options, the 5.8-liter, 351M, V8 and the larger 6.6-liter, 400, V8. These engines delivered strong torque for towing, hauling, and tackling difficult terrain. Buyers could choose between a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic transmission, both paired with Ford's reliable four-wheel drive system. One of the Bronco's greatest strengths was its exceptional off-road capability. Built on the tough Ford F-Series truck platform, it featured a heavy-duty body-on-frame chassis, solid front axle, high ground clearance, and a durable suspension system. These features allowed it to confidently handle mud, snow, rocky trails, and other challenging environments. The 1979 model also became famous for introducing a coil spring front suspension, replacing the older leaf spring setup. This significantly improved ride comfort and handling while maintaining excellent off-road performance, making it one of the most capable Broncos ever produced. Historically, the 1979 Bronco played an important role in the growing popularity of full-size SUVs in America. It successfully combined the utility of a pickup truck with the comfort and versatility of a sport utility vehicle, helping shape the future of the SUV market. The Bronco was also known for its removable fiberglass rear hardtop, allowing owners to enjoy an open-air driving experience during warmer months. This unique feature added to the vehicle's adventurous personality and made it stand out from many competitors. Fuel economy was modest, typically averaging around 10 to 14 miles per gallon, depending on the engine, transmission, and driving conditions. However, buyers valued the Bronco for its durability, capability, and powerful V8 performance rather than fuel efficiency. Today, the 1979 Ford Bronco 4x4 is one of the most collectible classic SUVs. Well-restored and original examples continue to increase in value, especially among enthusiasts who appreciate its rugged styling, dependable engineering, and rich off-road heritage. Overall, the 1979 Ford Bronco 4x4 remains an enduring icon of American off-road culture. Its powerful V8 engines, proven four-wheel drive system, and legendary toughness have earned it a lasting reputation as one of the greatest classic SUVs ever built. Even decades after its production ended, the 1979 Bronco continues to inspire collectors and off-road enthusiasts around the world, standing as a timeless symbol of adventure, freedom, and classic American engineering.